So tonight, we're gonna unbox my brand new wheels. I've been working on these wheels for the last 5 months, and I'm not shitting you, it's been 5 months. Designed it from the ground up, sent it to my builder, and then he literally made everything from scratch. So, wheels are right here. I just picked these guys up from the post office, and I don't know how they actually look because I promised you guys I would unbox these. And post them. Okay. So this will be the first time. I'll put them right here now. All right, you guys ready? Ooh. Don't worry about the trash.
I don't want to look at the front first.
How's that look? This is actually the back. So this is the back barrel. This is basically a 16-inch rim, and it tapers down to a 12-inch face. That's why you see this giant drop right here. And this is, I think this is just like Porsche silver. We painted it out here. And then this is the back of the barrel, as you see. This is the back of the barrel. And that's where we put our nipple. See that? That's the valve stem. You see the valve stem right there. So the valve stem's actually in the back and not the front. I wanted it in the back because it's cleaner looking. It's gonna be a pain in the ass to fill it up later, but I think we'll be okay. The scary part is it might hit the caliper, but I don't think it will because we have a low profile valve stem. So let's hope for the best. But look at that, even if this was the outside, it looks pretty damn good. Here is the front. Damn. That's crazy. So that's a lot smaller than I thought. This is a 12-inch face that goes up to a 16, so that's why you see this gigantic like double step. That's pretty badass. It's hard to find a company that offers this setup here in the US, so I had these made in New Zealand. So freaking badass. See, the only thing that I didn't really like when I was talking to my builder was he gave this like a cast aluminum finish instead of like a billet, like clean finish like my taillights. But it looks okay. It kind of reminds me of like old SSRs and you see like that cast aluminum finish. But it's all right, I like it. It actually looks good. The gray here is an Audi gray, which matches the diffuser setup that I have. So like my diffuser, my splitter, my side extensions, and the taillight panel, my taillight panel has the inside, it's kind of gray. It's the same gray. And this red, this is also the same red I'm using for the car. That's the Rosso Red Ferrari color. As you can see, I got all the details and kind of matched them all together. That way it's not just like some random gray, random red. Here's all 4 of them, and I got this guy flipped already. Check that out. That dish is insanely deep. Hey Nana, can you put your foot in there? Dude, look at that. It's pretty damn deep. So like I said, same gray in the center, and then same Rosso Red.